my grandfather was a person that started with a strong sense of personal integrity, and I believe that that principle is what has continued through 7 decades now of this business. We're here in the Founders Home, my grandparents' house. I spent a lot of time here growing up, and I recall how much pride he had in Vermeer. This is a company with his name on it. The machines that go out the door have his name on it. And not only is it a company that's growing because of his ideas, but it's a company that's growing because of his values and his principles. I consider the 4 Ps overall to be Vermeer's timeless values, but probably the most timeless aspect of our 4 Ps is the golden rule. And the golden rule is to treat other people like you would want to be treated yourself. And so when we interact with our suppliers, when we interact with our dealers, when we interact with our customers, that should be our driving focus is, if I were in this person's shoes, how would I want to be treated? And it's a difference. And the entities and the people that we work with can tell that difference. We have built up a legacy, 7 decades now, of bringing in people that fit that mold of operating with principles at the center. And it's why we are an appealing place to work. It's why people want to come work at Vermeer, is because they know that they will get to interact with people that are going to treat them like they would want to be treated themselves, and they reciprocate that. So certainly, as we have built this organization from a one-man shop with my grandfather and the first person that he hired to help him build mechanical wagon hoists, we've now built up into an organization of more than 3,000 people with that guiding principle of treating other people like you would want to be treated yourself. And it's the culture that we want to continue to perpetuate every time we bring in a new person. Ultimately, it's a commitment that in every interaction that we have among ourselves, among our suppliers, dealers, customers, that we are striving to make a real personal impact.